Hello guys, how are you? It's Goli. Welcome to this session. So today we want to see how we can automate some stuff with Python. So today's scenario is that we want to give several IP to Python to our script and see whether they are up or down. So let's start. The scenario is like this: ping, for example, 1111. Here you can see it's pinging now. Okay, at the end, if it is receiving 4 packets or last 0, or some information about here, we can understand, okay, everything was okay, was working. So now if we give this IP111 to our script, so we should receive this IP is up. So let's see how we can do that. Import OS, so IP list, let's say 1111, then 8888, and on 4224. Now we need to define a for loop for each IP that our script pings each of them. So for IP in IPL, response is equal to os.poppen. So here poppen is our function that we can ping. So we will say ping plus IP. So we will give it space here, dot read. So I use dot read because the Python should read the response and then recognize some information for us. So we say if you remember, we said, for example, if we receive 4 packets, as it was here, if we receive 4 packets or last 0, so it means everything is okay. So we will say if this in response print IP is up, and then else print IP is down. So let's test our script. So we will run it. Let's see what will happen. So we can see first one is up, second one is up, and also the last one is up. So let's say just random IP that I don't know. So let's test this one. First one is working, and yeah, you can see the last one is down because this IP didn't respond anything. So it was for today. I hope that you enjoy, and please subscribe and like, and also share my videos. So see you.